Welcome to Belgrade. Let's do a little bit of city tour.
There are some restaurants on this street, not maybe the best ones, maybe a little bit touristy, but there are a couple of pretty nice ones also. Or maybe if you want to have a drink or cocktail or beer or something like that, you can expect to pay a little bit more than outside of these main streets, but not too bad. Not too bad anyway. This is Obilićevenac, one of the pedestrian streets in Belgrade. It actually goes along next to the Ines Mihailova, the bigger street, but this one is much smaller. It has some bars and restaurants on here. So we are in a really center of the old town, Belgrade. Lively Belgrade. It's Wednesday night and still busy. Looks like we are not the only ones going out for dinner tonight. I hope we will fit somewhere. There's something I recommend in this restaurant, and it is this Jaretina. That's actually, nowadays they have also in English, young goat Mikan style. Or if they don't have it, then you could have lamb, which is young netina. So this is definitely something I recommend to eat here, and this is what we always have. We are definitely too late here now because they only have one horse entrecote left. So we have to choose something else. We will have to check. We get one, but I think we will share something else. Okay, so we decided to have the classic Karačorčeva schnitzel. This is something very typical. Also, it's actually, they say it's stuffed pork fillet, Karačorčeva style. This is something keep in mind if you want to have really authentic local food. It's basically in every restaurant possible to find. So now we have one Karačorčeva schnitzel, and then we have the one horse entrecote, which is here.
Hi, welcome to Belgrade. We are now in restaurant Mikan. This is the place where we usually come to eat some I was about to say chicken. No, we don't come here for the chicken, we come here for the lamb meat or young goat meat. Unfortunately, they don't have any roasted meals available tonight, so we decided to have some course entrecote. But the funny thing is that we only had one portion of that. So we decided to have a Karatsortseva schnitzel, which is something local specialty which you should try also. I will show you when we get them on the table. Let's see. And then we had some sopska salata. But it's easier that I show you soon when they come. So I only have 1 month left in Belgrade. We've been here for years, and for the last weeks I'm trying to go to my favorite places. And also my hubs Ismo is now here for about 10 days and on his holiday because he's already moved back to Finland. But he is here visiting me now, and we are going to some of our favorite places, our restaurants, and doing a little bit walk around the city, going to see places. So I decided that I can take a little bit of videos at the same time when we're walking around, and I can show you some places where we like to walk around Belgrade and doing some little bit of city tour and introducing you our favorite restaurants and stuff like that. So, and actually now we just got our sopska salata, and that is something you should try when you voila. This is something you should definitely try if you love any salad. This is the best salad ever, and so this is it. And I will show you better because there's a cheese on top of it, and the other parts are below it, but I will say so. So please enjoy, please enjoy. No, I cannot speak enough. So welcome to enjoy Belgrade with us. Let's eat now.
Okay, meet Ismo. He's visiting me here for 10 days now. We haven't seen much this year because I've been going back and forth in Finland and Serbia, and Ismo is already working in Finland, so we don't see that often. But he hasn't been to Belgrade actually since January, and now it's the end of August. But here he is, enjoying in one of our favorite restaurants. Balkanese salad you should definitely try. This is my horse with pekarski krompur, baked potatoes, and with extra kaimak to put on top of the potatoes. And Ismo here has, this is the Karatsortseva schnitzel. So it's kind of basically Wiener schnitzel with kaimak inside it, but then it's rolled. It is huge. And what we will do, we will share both of these. And this is what Karatsortseva schnitzel looks inside.
stvari je 32.
Vau! Mennään kotiin. Joo, siellä oli joo, mutta ei se haittaa. Tule. Jos siellä koira. Kotikoira. Joo, ei oo koira. Sitten täällä oli joku muu nauha. Joo. Tule. Tule vaan. Onko se siellä? Mitä? Hienosti. Nyt Nero kulta, et muistanut katsoa suojatieltä. Joo. Joo, mennään sieltä. Koirat menee toiselle puolelle. Mennään me täältä. Tää on lujaa, kun tää on kotikulma. Tästä pitää juosta hirveetä vauhtia, koska tää on kotikulma. Joo, siellä menee koirat. Me mennään täältä puolella. Joo, ei oo hätää. Aha. Ei, nyt se saa. Hei. Niin on. Mennään Nero kotiin. Joo, se seuraa meitä, mutta ei me oteta sitä mukaan. Ei me päästetä sitä. Mennään kotiin.